When you use a die grinder, you want to use safety equipment, so you'll want good heavy goggles, a face mask, gloves, and hearing protection. This, by the way, is the finished product of my polished up hammer. So these are the wrenches that come with the Makita die grinder. There's the box, and there's the die grinder with the Roloc and sanding pad. Here's the hammer as I bought it for $5 from the estate sale. I will, of course, destroy the patina on it, making it worthless, but turning it into a usable tool. So here we polish the rust or whatever off the surface. You can insert your own joke about life being a grind about now. So after about 3 to 5 minutes, here's our finished product, nice and shiny and ready to use.